Oh, hello.
Hello.
Look at the eyes. Oh. See?
So,
See closely. Oh.
is it moving?
Yeah. He's making
Did you see that?
He's making his web inside.
Oh, did you see the eyes?
Yeah,
I
it's like a
see.
flashy.
Yeah. He doesn't want to see the sun. Hi, guys. Do you know what? I got a spider in my room. The first one is big and is so black. He just want to get out to get his family.
What will you do with the spider?
Bring it outside with his spider family.
Spider
I
web.
don't know where is it. I think it's not a spider web. Oh my. There's a spider web. There then
See it? I know.
yeah.
Oh, I can see her.
Is there ants there?
No ants, but we can put.
Can I
an
put
ant.
there? But don't let the spider free her. In his web.
He's making a spider web, Freya.
Oh yeah.
Can you see? Can you see?
I don't know.
It's
so
a color
clearly.
white.
Oh yeah, now I see it.
See it now?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Oh, that's amazing.
Oh, you know.
Where is it?
Pretend you will eat her. Open your mouth. Ah, bum, 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 bum. Do you have a song about spider?
Yeah.
Can you sing it?
Incy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the
Oi.
out.
Don't tap it.
Out came the sun and enjoyed the water rain, and the incy spider ran up the spout again.
You scared me. I think there's a spider web inside. What do you think about a spider, Freya?
Is black wet or white?
Okay, how many legs?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
8.
7, 8.
Yeah.
It's 8. Wanna see? So creepy.
Why creepy?
Just kidding. This is poop.
Hey, face us.
This is
Spider.
poop.
Come here. There's the eyes. Can you see?
Yeah. Oh
There.
my. Oh my.
See the eyes?
Yeah, it's color. Come on.
Hey, little spider. There.
Hey,
Look at
little.
that.
What is that button? What is that black thing?
Black thing? That's his skin. Come here, spider.
Come on, come on.
Face Freya and smile.
Face Freya. We gotta see.
Okay, guys, feel free that the spider. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say thank you.
Oh, this is eyes.
Yeah, say thanks
See
for.
the flips.
Say bye-bye na to your vloggy.
Bye-bye, Flaggy. Thanks for watching. Bye.